Hello, I just wanted to show you how I clean the Breville machine. It's just a quick and easy way to clean it out when it has that blinking light. Now the first step is you want to replace all of the big utensils that you use while making espresso and just leave just the essential tray. Okay, now you're going to grab one tablet as well as a single filter basket. That's what you're going to replace, and then put a rubber disc right on top with that cleaning tablet. Now you're going to make sure your Breville is off, as well as pressing all three buttons, which is the power button and single and double shot. This is going to be a process. It's going to be about 5 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes at most. It's going to make a lot of noise, and that's totally normal. Make sure your water is all filled before doing this process. You're going to want to take it out when it's all done. It's going to be all quiet. You're going to clean it out, and then you're going to put it all back. And in this way, you're able to clean out all of the excess that might be still stuck in the machine. So by pressing the double shot, you're able to clean it all out. So do that a few times. Okay, so this is the grinder. You want to take out all your fresh beans so then you can keep those. Unscrew it, put it in a bowl. I like to take it out with a spoon and take my Dyson, and I like to suction out all the things I couldn't get, especially with the brush. That helps get all the little crevices as well. Screw it back in, and you want to put all your fresh beans back in.